need to see his face, I need to understand. For you and I came to an end. Tell me his name, I want to hear. Broke my faith in all these years. Well, days at you at night, when I'm here all alone, remembering when I was your own. I let you go, I let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you go now that I found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow. I close my eyes and dream of you, and then I have realized there's more to love than there is bitterness and lies. I close my eyes. I give away my soul to hold you once again, and never let this promise end. I let you go, I let you fly. Why do I keep on asking why? I let you go now that I found a way to keep somehow more than a broken vow. Thank you.
Thank you very much, No Direction. Wow, that was very awesome.
Maybe, Brother Richard, maybe you want to invite everybody. Yes.
Hello.
Maybe you want to invite everybody about your world tour.
Yeah. I will be having a world tour almost today at Kalubihan Food Court. And almost 30 na yung last count baling, and almost 30 at Pasal Fishport. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys there.
Thanks so much.